Okay, so we're going to do a fix on the G35. One of the most common, most annoying things is trim. This stuff all peels back. So I found a neat edge trim that I'm going to use from Amazon to fix this. It's this stuff right here. So you can see it's got like a groove. Come on, focus. It's got like a chrome trim on it. It's going to look really good. Come on. There we go. Alright. Let's get it in. So I've already measured a test fit piece. So we're just going to pop it in there right quick. Like so. Look at that. This fits almost perfectly without any kind of adhesive. I mean, except for the ends. You can see where it curls there and here. So what we're going to do is use some adhesive, some glue. I'm going to glue that bad boy in there. Check that out. That don't look bad, does it? Looks pretty damn good. Let's get it glued in there. Taking just a couple dabs. Just a couple dabs here and there is what I'm thinking. Nothing too crazy. And it sticks in there relatively well on its own. And I have a bunch more. It comes in a big roll, just in case I need more. Just put it there on the rib portion, a couple inches away from each other, especially here on the end. It seems to want to pop out and be a pain. I'll actually put it on both sides on the end piece. There we go. Nothing crazy. I hope that stays. We'll see. Then what I'll do is go back on the other side, do the other side as well. The neat thing about this, you get a little bit of glue on this chrome piece, and that stuff scrapes right off, which I did. Got a little bit on there, because I got a little bit on my finger. It's alright. Looks like it belongs there, yeah? I'll include the Amazon part number for this stuff in the video description. It comes in other colors too, gold, red, blue. But for my interior, this looked the best, in my honest opinion. It's pretty solid. Okay, let's do this other spot. This side is a real, I almost contemplated trimming it under here, because this, none of my door panels, none of it, this isn't peeling anywhere. But, what the hell, I can always cut it off later if I don't like it. Let's get some glue under there. Just a bit. Squeeze the heck out of this, just to get a little bit out. It's alright though, right? Happy little glue trails. It's okay. I can always fix it, right? Flip this over. gap on this side is significantly larger. So I'll put more glue than I did on the other side. I mean, I wish this came in a thicker, you know, configuration. So I would have bought that, but hey, for like $9 or whatever I spent for this, this is an absolutely incredible solution I've come upon here. I saw another suggestion on a forum for something similar to this, but it didn't work, so I stumbled upon this accidentally. And you know, here we are. I'll just hold it. I should be using masking tape for this, but this glue dries really quick. And I'm just using Loctite super glue, man. From the, you know, stuff. Little squeeze dispenser gimmick. Look at that. That's awesome. That's a result, man. That is a result. That's great. Let's have a look at that, yeah? Look at that. That is awesome. And that's all this is here. Just this. Let me get this stuff out of the way. It's a whole big, you know, it was like less than 10 bucks shipped. Yeah, I got the typical heated seat tear. I'm going to fix that too. I have a solution for that. But look at that. That's great. Like I said, I'll put all the part numbers and stuff in the description. Check it out. Wow. That turned out way better than I thought it would. Let's do the other 4 doors, man. I'm not going to include that because it's the same process, literally. But yeah, awesome.